Good morning, guys. I hope you guys do well on this test. So remember, for questions 1 through 4, you're going to use this graph. So first question says, what is the total number of hours shown in the graph? So we worked this morning. Number 2 says, what fraction of Holly's day was spent sleeping? So remember to go back up here, and you need to write it as a fraction. Number 3 says, if Holly starts school at 8 a.m., what time does school end? So school, but she starts at 8, what time does it end? And number 4, how many hours did Holly spend at school and reading? So go back up and look at school and reading. I think you guys will do great on all of those. And then 5 and 6, you're using the information in this paragraph. Lars has 6 dogs. Each dog eats 2/3 of a can of food each day. Dog food costs 96 cents per can. So remember, we wrote down how many dogs he had and we combined all that. And so the first question, how many cans of dog food are eaten each day? And then we use that number to answer number 6. How much does Lars spend on dog food per day? Remember to go back up and look and see how much dog food costs. Number 7, if the perimeter of a square is 88, so remember, a square has 4 sides. How long is each side of the square? Number 8, remember we did a couple of different things. We divided or we drew a picture, changed the improper fraction 9/4 to a mixed number. Number 9, what fraction name for 1 is shown by this rectangle? You guys know how to do this. How many out of how many? Number 10, Miriam bought 3 audio cassette tapes for $5.21 each, 3 of them. The sales tax was $1.17. Don't forget the tax. She paid the clerk with a $20 bill. How much change should Miriam get back? So remember, you have 2 steps here. You got to find out how much she paid and then how much change she's getting back. Number 11, don't forget to use the top one for the millimeters, the bottom one for the centimeters. Number 12, the freight train traveled 312 miles in 6 hours. The train's average rate was how many miles per hour? At that rate, how far could the train go in 10 hours? And then 13 you know how to do, 14 you know how to do. 15 you know how to do, don't forget to count the zeros. 16 you know how to do. 17 you know how to do. 18, don't forget that's 3 squared means 3 times 3. 19, don't forget to work what's in parentheses first. And 20, what do I take away from 697 to equal 302? I know you guys will do great. Stop the video if you need it. Restart it when you need it. Re-listen to it. Take your time and do your best.